at this stage of the country, we're not supposed to get it wrong with our election process.
Yeah.
A miracle happened prior to 2023 that motivated millions of Nigeria to actually fall out. And I just read that same miracle will also happen before 2027.
Sometimes no be just the tedious processes we needed to collect your voter's card, to do your voter registration and all those
and
things.
Accreditation during
and,
the
and some security issues. The things where they worry mind where now say my vote go count.
Yes, you get. I know I'm gonna go back to where they hear say it's only people that came out to vote. Are you going to change polling unit just few hours to election?
The notification
to ginger INEC now to be more outspoken when it comes to things like this. They have changed, moved your polling unit from point A to point B.
At least we record a lesser number of violence. When Tory people ask them questions, say why you never go vote? He say what thing are they go vote for? Pick all the people they want to win.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.
And truly we match with you live and direct. Welcome back. Still 89.9
Yanga FM Lagos, the station with Sabi, and yes, on a good evening and welcome back to Tory We Matter. Based on how it be, say we'll start a little bit behind time today. We go just make a wrap up now. Abina.
Without no delay, sharp.
So, in case you just tuning and you wonder say what they talk about, they just try to evaluate the last Saturday local government elections we happen inside with Lagos State here, and some irregularities where people don't complain about. Now, moving forward, R&B, say one of the troubles of election for citizens when it concerns to go vote, sometimes no be just the tedious processes we needed to collect your voter's card, to do your voter registration and all those
and
things.
Accreditation during the
and some security issues.
Most
of the times the things where they worry mind where now say my vote go count.
Yes.
That
particular
count.
question, they determine whether they actually determine the numbers of people when go come outside for voting or not. You get. And I just feel say at this stage of the country, we're not supposed to get it wrong with our election process. We I don't know, but a miracle happened prior to 2023 that motivated millions of Nigeria to actually fall out. And I just read that same miracle will also happen before 2027 too. You get. I know I'm gonna go back to where they hear say it's only people that came out to vote. You get. I want make everybody they participate for election, whether na local government or na state too, or na even the presidential own. You get on National Assembly. Let everybody they ginger. But how can we continue to encourage people to come outside when we say the process they always be like say it bend? How you gonna change polling unit just few hours to election?
Some people have not even reached their polling unit
until they realize. And they're not there aware say their polling unit don't change
because they don't get the notification, they don't get notice.
So that means we need to ginger INEC now to be more outspoken when it comes to things like this, to say okay, because of some security reason or because of one or two, we have moved your polling unit from point A to point B. If you are here, or probably send a text message because they get these people number. I want to believe say every voter their number they attached to their card.
Of course.
So INEC they privy to this particular information. They should be able to send an SMS 24 hours or 48 hours before that election day to let them know say your polling don't change. Because if you say, I don't know, during the presidential election, I also know some people when we say they reach one polling unit, they find out, not be my own BD, so but now waiting be there, they call their name not show for the
voter list.
For the voter list, they need to start walking back, and say motor movement, not they. So they need to trek from that point A to point Z. We sometimes go discussion. I bet they go ask. I don't want to stress myself on this. You get
now.
So I next should do better.
We know they talk about let's say at least we record a lesser number of violence or insecurity. We don't really hear much about insecurity like that. I
say not deal. No, not the one. I say who you be? Who you?
The one. Some of the videos will be surfaced online for some confirmed theory houses. We talk about some of the violence will happen. Not just violence of say if you get to a particular place and will tell you say if you no vote for this particular party or if you no want vote for this particular party, just a turn back. Now some of the videos when I see way surface online. But then moving forward, some people will be say access some of the residents where they are around polling unit areas will just sit down for their houses or they engage for one or two other activities when no be voting. When Tory people ask them questions, say why you never go vote? He say what thing are they go vote for? Wetin I dey go vote?
No, I don't want more get that mindset. In as much
na
as
the mindset na
feel,
be the thing.
you feel say, oh, the process don't dey trustworthy, but don't have it because you dey disenfranchise yourself and even other 100 of people.
You know, see this video I just play for you.
Out. Yeah,
according to the budget, na the worst
out of 20 for 23 years.
23 years, one are the worst.
Now,
say sorry to cut you. Say be like say they don't hand pick all the people they want to win.
So it goes. That what I be one everyone say. I think APC need to tell us their secret and formula. When they carry out to win 57 seats out of 58 seats of chairmanship, that's including the local government SCDAs.
Is it not funny?
What be the formula?
What be that ingredient when they inside their stew?
You get they win. Or the yes, no, the whole 57 we call 20 plus 37 and 57 the whole SCD seat. SCD and AG local government, that winner. They need to tell us the formula. The PDP too need to let us know which miracle they perform to win Yaba. That one seat. Because even on top this one now, Labour Party, I'm not saying Labour Party. That's what the Labour Party is going back to where they came from after Peter Obi effect or obedient effect. You get when make some of them be win some seats. When we say even the seats when they don't move to another party right now, it's for the National Assembly. Labour Party don't come outside. Youth Party, YPP don't also come outside. Even PDP don't come outside. They ask this election, they need to cancel and say they don't want. Because you not probably come to their favor or you not come as they expect to actually come.
But the thing about this cancellation of the election now, if it actually go happen, now say the voices, if the cancellation of the election go happen, now say the voices where they shout, they made them cancel the election, you know they loud enough in your terms.
You know they
loud enough because up until now, I think after that Saturday and then enter Sunday, we never really hear much.
Everybody don't mind their business.
Everybody don't relax. Everybody don't go with status quo.
And not also forget the reason why I also feel say the voice is not the loud enough. Now the fact say we don't take local government election as serious as we should.
Yes.
So the outcome not they really. I beg you, that one not concern me. May I continue with my life? You get. I think that's the problem. That's the fundamental problem. That's why you always notice saying they'll continue to ride on us because we don't pay the needed attention to local government election. You get.
It is well.
And I hopefully maybe soon we go really because if more people start to say no, I don't like the way this thing go. Guess what? They don't want Menzebu. But it don't happen. Congratulations to those when win.
Congratulations to them.
But they really need to share. Both APC need to share me the secrets when they use to win all the local government.
We all need that secret because it be like saying that the secret way to
to success. The PDP too need to let us know how they take win that particular one seat for Yaba. Like it's crazy though.
Because it be like how they call her ant wey hide under elephant's leg. He struggle, you know die.
That means that councillor guy when he's more really be a miracle performer.
Now the only person wey fit motivate me.
Because for him to win out of 300
do you get in that kind of process? Anyways, I better wrap up for you, Jerry.
That's a wrap, my brother and my sister.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.